Hi everyone, it's Winsome back with another origami video, and today we'll be making a snowman as part of the winter origami series. So starting off with a piece of origami paper, and I picked pink, which will be the color of the hat just because I like pink and I was finding an opportunity to use a pink piece of paper. So flipping onto the blank side, we're going to fold it diagonally in half both ways first to mark out our lines. Cool, and then first thing we want to do is grabbing one corner, fold it down to the center. And then we want to grab the corner again and fold it to the top, the side, the edge, whatever you want to call it. And then unfold it, and the crease we just made there, we want to grab the corner again and fold it up. So the next thing you want to do is just kind of fold the edge at the bottom up towards that crease, and I want to fold it again and on the crease we just made, and then cool, got that down. So the next thing we want to do is flip it over, and then we want to grab both these sides and fold it towards the center line. Once we've done that, they actually should be like overlapping a little bit, so you just want to bring the sides in more, so like that, and do the same for the other side. You're going to want them to overlap a bit like so. Make sure both sides are evenly overlapped. Then next thing you want to do is a step fold. So to do that, we're going to want to fold this up to like here, the point here. And then we want to fold this back down. So how much we want to fold down is kind of like up to here. We want to follow that and press down to create that step fold. Cool. So now we have that. The next thing we want to do is fold the sides inside towards itself. So when you're folding inside, this flap should meet the center line. Now. Like so. And then the next thing that we want to do is kind of like open these up, the little flaps here. I want to open them up and then like flatten, so open and then flatten these. Also, and then next thing you want to do is grabbing the bottom here, you want to fold it towards the point down here, create a flat base, and then when you flip over you basically have your little snowman right here. I guess the final thing to do is to basically draw on the face, which I'll do right now. Cool, so this is it. It's got like a really tiny face what I drew on, but I find like so cute. Like the face definitely came out shorter than I expected, because I think I just did the step fold way too big. So yeah, if you want a less stubby face, maybe don't fold it up as short, fold it more up during the step fold, and then you have a bigger face. But yeah, I like it. It's kind of like stubby and cute in its own way. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like this video so I know if you did. Write a comment down below anything you want to recommend me to make. Subscribe for more videos in the winter origami series. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!